Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week and Monday 8th of November 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit today and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Okay, if you look at the EURUSD charts, especially if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were long from Friday. If you haven't seen my Friday analysis review, watch the link. Video link is given in the video description. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, we have this false breakout on Friday. So we were long here and buying beautiful pips, and today we were expecting another long trade here. And if you look at the bigger picture, which is I already explained to you guys, if you see here, the price nicely respected here. So we had a long here on Friday. We were expecting another pullback, and we were looking for this consolidation breakout, which nicely taken long trade here. And let's see here, the target would be this level. We'll let you know. If you look at the bigger picture, we can see here the price nicely developed downside channel pattern. Let's see if the price is going to hit or not. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. We haven't seen any big moves, but we manage. As you can see here, this is the analysis. I did London morning session. We have this breakout, and after this breakout, we have a pullback, which I also did updated this analysis at the New York session after the breakout. As you can see here, based on the another pullback, which price nicely came back and developed another pullback. Once we develop our bias and sentiment in 4-hour, then we look for intraday entries, which is you can see here, breakout and the pullback. Beautiful trade on EURUSD. We had amazing trades on pound dollar and pound yen. If you look at the pound dollar in 4-hour chart, as I said to you, we had on Friday, as I said to you, the price developed a false breakout, price nicely broken, and we were expecting another pullback, which is technically, if you look at here, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. We have this breakout, bank beautiful pips. We also had this short trade here this morning, bank few pippies. Once the price reversed, and that's what I explained to my trader, looks like the price is developing it head and shoulder pattern for looking for this breakout. So if the price gonna break, so then taking a pullback. So target would be around this level. Let's see here. Let me share with you how I analyze from here in intraday and bank beautiful pips. Most of the traders bank 100 plus pips, guys, today. And if you look at here, at the market open, I did this consolidation breakout, which is in the London morning session. We had this breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the previous low, even in 4-hour, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let's wait for the price develop another pattern. And afterwards, as soon as we bank some profit, you can see here price nicely came back, and that's what I explained to my trader, price develop another false breakout. So let's see if it price develop another pattern. So technically, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout, which is price nicely broken. And as you can see here, we had a confirmation with this candle that the bearish rejection. So we had a beautiful breakout, momentum was long, and afterwards we another pullback long. As soon as the price hit to the previous around this level, inside the Bollinger Band, which is technically 20 EMA, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and let's wait for another pattern. As always, once we bank some profit, hit the target, and at the New York session, explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullbacks, guys. You can see here, and as I explained, if the price gonna hit this orange EMA, as you can see here, as explained into the analysis, we have another beautiful pullback based on the momentum. As soon as the price sort of developing a double top here, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and bank amazing profit, guys, on pound dollar. Okay, so dollar CAD, we had a consolidation. We haven't had any trade on dollar CAD. Even if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what I explained to my trader, price sort of developing it downside channel pattern, looks like a bull flag pattern, only is going to confirm when the price gonna break this level. So, and we expecting a price previously broken, so we waiting for this triangle pattern breakout, guys. We'll let you know on Monday, but we had amazing trades on pound yen, and all the pound pairs, beautiful trades. Pound Swiss franc, we had amazing trade. If you look at here, pound yen, we had a short trade this morning. bank few pips, and afterwards I explained to my trader price could not maintain below this level, which is broken, so more likely long trade here. So we had a nice long trade afterwards. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday and bank beautiful pips. If you look at the analysis, I did this analysis, as you can see here. This was the analysis at the market open. After that, we have a consolidation breakout. Explain to trader, just keep taking a pullback. And at the London morning session, that's what I explained to my trader. Look for this sideways market breakout, which price nicely broken. We had this breakout, this candle, and as soon as the price hit to the previous level, low level, as you can see here in 4-hour 2, and that's what I explained to my trader, exactly the same like pound dollar, bank beautiful pips. Afterwards, market reverse, and explain to my trader, let's wait, let's see what sort of pattern is going to develop if the pound yen is going to follow the pound dollar, but we need a valid technical entry. So we had another symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see, momentum developed bullish, price nicely broken, and after the breakout, as explained to my trader, another pullback, beautiful pip. So we can see here we had a short trade, bank some profit, wait for the another pattern to be developed, and afterwards breakout and pull back, long trade, amazing profit. And at the New York session, as always, we have built our bias. We had the bullish engulfing candle, everything as an alignment, and explain to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, price developed a double bottom here at the support level, as mentioned on the analysis. Price nicely respected and beautiful long trade, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, bank some profit. So you can see, guys, we had amazing trades on cable, we had amazing trades on pound Swiss franc, beautiful. Let me share with you guys. You can see here we had such a nice beautiful long trade here, and beautiful. We have a pullback, breakout, everything. You can see here this was the breakout trade. After the breakout, just keep taking a pullback. All right, as you can see here, one of my traders bank I think 102 pips, you can see here. And if you look, if I show you these 102 pips, all of them, you can see pound dollar, pound euro USD, pound dollar, pound yen, and the pound dollar 58 pips. And if I show you here, click on this one, you can see here after this breakout pullback, once we develop bias, long trade here, beautiful. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profits in real time. And the most interesting part of it, developing your trading skill in real time if you are struggling in Forex. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I teach and train my traders with a live market in real time and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given below. Myself or one of my professional team member will show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. And even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.